What's going on everyone, this is Kedar here. So ChatGPT as of right now is not working. It is throwing out error communicating with the plugin service Dragon later. So what's really happening with the ChatGPT? Let me show you some of the important updates right from the ChatGPT service status page itself. So let's get right into it. So I was just checking out onto the Twitter and here you can see ChatGPT is down for many people, not just you and me. There are tons of people reporting that ChatGPT is not working and there is a server outage. I will show you all the details, what's exactly happening, the exact maintenance schedule, when the server will be back up. But here is the thing guys, ChatGPT is down for many people in many of the region. In fact, checking out the down detector, here you can see about 1600 outage reports. Now this is the service status page for OpenAI ChatGPT. Let me show you the latest update. So as of right now, I can see that the API is kind of operational, but it is kind of going in and out. Also, speaking of the ChatGPT, OpenAI ChatGPT, it was definitely down a while ago and now it is starting to recover, but I don't see any reason guys, it's still down as per as the reports, all the reports I can see. So ChatGPT is definitely not working. Also the API is having some issue. Now let me show you their update. So in the update they said we are continuing to investigate this issue and they are investigating the ChatGPT seeing elevated error rates. Root cause has been identified and team is working on to the fix. So this is their latest update guys. As of right now, there is no schedule when the service will be back up and running and ChatGPT is facing the outage as of right now. They have confirmed they are investigating. Also multiple engines have been elevated the error rates. These kind of errors are occurring. Once I get any latest detail, I will keep you posted. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.